everyone! Today I'll make a Christmas cake. This recipe is easy to prepare and includes chocolate chunks and walnuts. The cake is soft and moist and full of flavor. So let's get started. Oh, and by the way, if you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you'll find many interesting recipes. We'll start by preparing the dry ingredients. Mix together 1 1/4 cup of cake flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, or you can use any zest of choice. Set them aside. Next, add in a bowl 3 eggs room temperature, half cup of white granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar. Beat them together on high speed for about 5 minutes until thick and whipped. Gently fold the 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of milk, and flour mixture using a rubber spatula. At the end, add half cup of chocolate chunks and half cup of chopped walnuts to the butter. I use an 8-inch cake pan, greased and dusted with flour and lined with parchment paper. Transfer all of the butter into a cake pan. Bake in preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the thick comes out clean from the center. Once the cake is out of the oven, let it rest in the pan for about 15 minutes. Then transfer over to a wire rack to finish cooling. After the cake has cooled, I make simple chocolate frosting. 2 ounces of dark chocolate and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Melt in the microwave. After that, mix everything well and put over the cake. I also add grated coconut and crushed peppermint candy on top. Feel free to use your favorite frosting and decoration the cake as you like. Now I show you what's inside. This cake is moist, soft, and full of flavor. The chocolate frosting with peppermint candy completes the flavor explosion. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.